The Department of Social Welfare today announced that the government will be providing free aid to all the specially abled people who will be participating in this year's Purple Fest. This aid will be free of cost and applicable to only Indian citizens. Purple Fest 2024 will commence from 8 January to 13 January and will consist of various programs and exhibitions. He also added the department will distribute free aid to all the children and adults in every constituency with a target of at least 50 people.
As far as giving equipment for special needs. Now all the children who have got, or children or participants, whoever, you call them children only, all of them will be getting equipments, whatever equipments, like visually impaired, hearing impaired, everything. There is a list of items which they can get. Now every constituency we are targeting 50 people minimum. I am in charge of, I'm in responsibility for the special needs.
Purple Fest is starting from 8 January to 13 January. There are some pre-fest activities which will begin right from 6th of January. But actually the opening ceremony will happen on 8th. Our Purple Festaचे सगळे ह्या सांगला we will come up with all आमचं schedule घेऊन तुमकां परत येतले. वो ही activities आम्ही मेन्शन करपाक आयल्या आसा कित्याक this needs a preparation, pre-event preparation, because on the day of screening of beneficiaries for whatever aids, appliances, devices, apps, कितें जाय पडलें to overcome that disability. ते आमकां 8 तारखेच्यान सुरवात जाता. 8 तारखेर आमी जर सांगले जाल्यार ते इमिडिएटली आमकां आयडेंटिफाय करपाक मेळटना. म्हणून आमी आयडेंटिफाय केल्ले आसा ते तुमकां सांगता कोण ताका एलिजिबल जातले. वो स्क्रीनिंग प्रोग्राम जातलो 8 तारखेच्यान 8 जानेवारीच्यान टिल 13 जानेवारी. एवरी डे आमी स्क्रीन करतले 350 ओवर 350 अशें न्ही 350च न्ही. पुणे आयले जर जाय जाल्यार आमी करतले. वी विल मेक अ क्विक अरेंजमेंट ऑफ ऑल दी डॉक्टर्स. हे जातले आमचे टीव्ही बांदून म्हणजेच आमचे हे आसा न्ही ग्राउंड फुटबॉल ग्राउंड. एक सायडीन आमच्या एंट्री आसतली ती हातूंतल्यान कला अकादमींतल्यान, दुसरी वटच्यान आसतली आमची ती टीव्ही बांदोडकर रोड एक्सेस आसतलो. तातूंत भितर सगळे एक्झिबिशन्स आसतली. ह्याच एप्लायन्सीस ज्यो आसा ताच्या भायर साधारण 150 ओवर 150 एड्स, अप्लायन्सीस, डिवायसीस, ॲप्स हे आमचे ताचे प्रदर्शन जातले. IIT सारख्या संस्था आता आपले जे नवे इनोव्हेशन्स रिसर्चांतल्यान जे आयिल्ले आसात ताचेय डिस्प्ले करतले.